building a second brain. It is a system for managing the flood of information you are surrounded by every day, and a set of habits for using that information to create the career and the life you want. This is about learning how order and creativity can be combined to generate prolific outputs, how to capitalize on the full potential of your ideas and what you are capable of achieving in the world. What does it mean to extend and enhance the human mind using technology? You are part of a movement that is answering this question. We will be with you every step of the way, helping you construct your own second brain. By the time we're finished, the way you learn, the way you work, the way you think will be changed forever.